Want picnic? Welcome to Island Rhyme.
Let's learn 30 wild animals. Lion. This is the lion. Roar. This is the lion. Antelope. This is the antelope. Say antelope. Giraffe. This is a giraffe. Say giraffe. Zebra. This is a zebra. Zebras. These are zebras. Elephant. This is an elephant. Hippo. Hippopotamus. Tiger. Say tiger. Tiger. Rhino. Rhinoceros. Say rhinoceros. Orangutan. Orangutan. Say ostrich. Ostrich. This is an ostrich. Horse. Say horse. The horse are drinking water. The horses are drinking water. Hedgehog. This is a hedgehog. Say hedgehog. Hedgehog. Gorilla. This is a gorilla. Say gorilla. The gorilla is eating leaves. Flamingo. These are flamingos. The flamingos are pink. There are many flamingos. A koala. These are koalas. The koalas are playing. Play, koala, play. Peacock. This is a peacock. Say peacock. Peacock. The peacock is blue. Puffin. This is a puffin. Say puffin. Puffin. Wallaby. This is a wallaby. The wallaby is carrying her baby in her pouch. Say wallaby. Bunny. Bunny rabbit. This is a rabbit. The rabbit is nibbling grass. Say rabbit. Wolf. This is a wolf. These are wolves. Panda. This is a black and white panda. The panda is really beautiful. Say panda. job, Picnic. Panda is eating leaves. Wildebeest. These are wildebeest. The wildebeest is drinking water. Armadillo. This is an armadillo. Say it. Armadillo. Buffalo. This is a buffalo. The buffalo is eating. Bear. Grizzly bear. The grizzly bear is sitting on a rock. The grizzly bear is tired. Camel. These are camels. The camels have a hump on their back. Heron. This is a heron bird. The heron has very long legs, and the heron is standing in the water. Say heron. Ibis. This is a red ibis. Say ibis. Say ibis. Lemur. This is a lemur. The lemur is jumping. Leopard. Say leopard. The leopard is sitting. Leopard. The leopard is yawning. Good job.